Down a twisty, turny lane in a mystical, magical wood was an enchanted fairy tale land where a crooked treehouse stood. The person who lived in that old crooked tree was a magical wizard who no one could see. His name was Walter. One particular day he wanted to find out of different dangers that were lurking about. So he opened his cupboard, put on his shrinking shoes. He shrunk down to the tiny town and went in search for clues. When Walter shrank down, he looked up to the sky, and there, coming zooming down, a fire-fighting fly. Fly had come to visit all the insects in their class to tell them of dangers that they might pass. One danger was the cooker. When Mum's cooking up a stew, the flames are firing hot and will burn me or you. Then there's the iron. Touch it you must not. You must stay away from irons because they're hot. Watch out for knives when Dad's chopping up your tea. You should never go near knives because they're sharp as sharp can be. Watch out for water that's been spilt on the floor. You could slip. Grown-up tablets are only for your mummy. Never swallow tablets. They'll give you a bad... There's something about candles that all of you should learn. It's to stay away from candles because they really, really burn. Always remember the insect's emergency line. Just pick up your phone, then dial 999. Always remember the insect's emergency line. Just pick up your phone, then dial 999. Firefighting Fly said he'll always try to be here, because he can smell danger whenever he is near. But he would be grateful if we could help to see different dangerous things that could harm you or me.
Very good! Great! Good job. Good job. Good job. Great. Good job.
When Walter returned back to his normal height, he opened up his cupboard and put his shoes out of sight. Ready for another adventure and problem-solving clues to solve different mysteries in his magic